After months of public speculation, e-commerce giant Amazon has confirmed it is launching in Australia. The move is expected to create thousands of new jobs for Aussies, starting in Sydney's west.
Amazon is one of the 10 biggest retailers in the world. But for its rivals and now Australian retailers, the big danger is it's the fastest growing major retailer on the planet.
This is a game changer for the Australian retail market, an absolute game changer.
Today, Amazon finally announced it will bring its online marketplace to Australia. For the thousands of small businesses that use the platform, the wealth and potential to disrupt big players is immense.
The logistics that Amazon have in place is absolutely phenomenal. The Australian small business communities will have access to that, which means they can easily expand locally and internationally.
Neil Waterhouse wrote the book on how to build $1 million eBay business from home. But he also knows Amazon. He's been using its American site for 10 years.
You have your bricks and mortar store, but you can also be selling on your website, you can be selling on eBay, you can be selling on comparison shopping engines, and Amazon's just giving another marketplace.
Amazon Marketplace is just the start. 12 months after it was rolled out in Spain came Amazon Fresh and Amazon Pantry that throw out a major challenge to our supermarkets. Australian online sales are now around $11 billion and growing fast. But Citigroup says Amazon alone could reach $4 billion worth of sales. That's 14% of all online sales within just 5 years. The first thing Amazon must do is find warehouse space, and here there's a local connection. Aussie warehouse developer Goodman is Amazon's biggest landlord worldwide. It recently built giant warehouses in East Germany and California. And 9 News understands Goodman's set to build Amazon's first warehouse at Eastern Creek, Western Sydney, with other states to follow. It's set to be the biggest warehouse ever built in Australia. Ross Greenwood, 9 News.
A young nipper is in